Ever wished you could measure anything around you instantly, just by pointing your iPhone? That's exactly what the Measure app on your iPhone lets you do, all thanks to the magic of augmented reality. Let's dive in. First, open the Measure app. You might see a few dots appear on your screen as it calibrates to your surroundings. Once it's ready, point your iPhone camera at the object you want to measure. For this demonstration, we'll measure this coffee table. To measure a length, tap on one point of your object, then drag your finger in a straight line to the other point you want to measure. You'll see a measurement line appear, showing you the exact dimensions in both inches and centimeters. But it's not just for straight lines. You can measure areas. To simply tap on the corners of the surface you want to measure, creating a closed shape. The app will automatically calculate and display the area enclosed. Need to know how tall something is? Just repeat the process. Tap at the base, then tap at the top. It's that simple to get accurate height measurements for doors, windows, or even people. You can even revisit your previous measurements. The app keeps a history, making it easy to recall those dimensions later. The Measure app is a powerful, built-in tool that turns your iPhone into a virtual measuring tape, perfect for DIY projects, interior design, or just satisfying your curiosity.